Alright, so we're going to look at a possible next project here. It's actually going to be a project for my Uncle Jimmy. He found a 57 Chevy. It's not a Bel Air or anything, just a 210 on Facebook Marketplace. So sounds like he's got all the parts for it. Got a bunch of new parts and boxes and everything. So we're on our way to go take a look at that and see if it's a good enough project, see if it's all there, you know, how big of a project we'd actually have to get into to get this car running for him.
What's up, guys? My brother Al, this is Huey.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
And my main man Matt.
How you doing, Matt?
My nephew, yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Here's the beast. Yeah. Hey, Huey's got a mock in the garage here that he's working on, Al, and he's got parts. I don't know what you guys are looking for, but I mentioned that to him.
9?
You talk?
Oh, it's 71 Mark 1.
71 Mark
Yeah.
1? But Huey, if you could tell these guys kind of what you've been telling me, what you got here for it.
Well, you can see it's got disc brakes. I got new wheels and back. I got wheels and tires. You know them like they put on the gassers with the pie-shaped holes in them in the back. It's like an old Astro wheel, but it's got the slot in is like a pie shape.
Talking about the wheels?
Yeah, the rear wheels. Yeah, I got new. They're 10-inch and kit to move the springs in on the frame. I already put to move the shocks in, you know, where they go through the trunk on these.
I'm not familiar with this
okay. Well,
car.
the rear shocks bolt up through the trunk floor.
Okay.
And they have a kit that you could use for that. It's got smoothie bumper. You know how it's got the bullets on it?
Yeah.
They don't have them. It's a smoothie bumper. Got a billet grill. It's in the box. Rear bumpers.
The window you told me was correct. He's got new glass. I mean, the interior, even the headliner, he had it redone. I mean, the interior's
New trunk.
A raccoon got in there, but didn't do any damage other than footprints.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a black gentleman fucking shit on me. What can I say?
I'm with you. You're all right. You're okay. You ain't hurt my feelings.
And I got another rolling chassis complete.
Okay.
And it's kind of brown, but it's smooth. There's no crust on it. And the only reason I got it is because this is where it's kind of crusty.
Yeah.
And that other frame is wire brush it, Rust-Oleum, and it's done.
Right.
And all the chrome, I got all the side chrome. That one that's got that dent in it right there.
Buy every panel brand new and put it together that way.
Yeah.
That's what he did. So anything original.
You're broke. Nice toy. Nice toy. You got a new trunk for that trunk lid you said?
Yeah, I got a different one. I didn't get a new one because it's back ordered. They told me they might not be able to get it till the end of March because I went and I bought these are the doors I just got in Arkansas, and but I got new fenders, a new Mach 1 hood. All that stuff was on sale right after Christmas, and they give me $600 off for what I bought. And then the shipping, they wanted $250 just to ship the hood. I said, fuck that, I'll go to Pennsylvania. It's where it was, like York, Pennsylvania. That's where I went and got at CJ Ponies. I went and got that.
So when you're
That's where I'm buying everything for our mock.
Is that right?
CJ
Man, they got everything. It's
They ain't got
still good.
everything. No, they ain't got
really?
everything. Trust me, I need everything, and they ain't got everything. They ain't got everything.
It's so nice to deal with them people, though, you know. But
I
when you
haven't
call,
talked to
you always talk to the guys in California.
I haven't talked to
I haven't
them.
talked to nobody in Pennsylvania yet. I call.
Every truck is brand new.
I love that color. Is that cobalt blue?
It's got some cool pictures in here.
There you go, 1180 with no sticks. And 30 miles a gallon.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Cool. Look at this beast.
radiator, because putting LS in it, the water flows in a different direction, and you have to have a radiator for the LS. It's like $350 for a radiator. But they
Is this for that? All right, he wants to pull her back in, Al.
Yeah.
Don't I look good in this fucking thing?
Okay.
All right, so we just got back from looking at that 57 Chevy. Pretty solid car. The guy said he has a bunch of parts. He has a whole nother frame. He's planning on doing an LS motor. So he's got LS motor, trans ready to go in. A ton of parts for it. The story on that car is he's pretty much had the car for about 28 years, and he's just been collecting parts all over those years, and just never had the time to put it together. So the car, we'd be buying it from my uncle. Uncle Jimmy would be the customer we'd be doing it for. So next step for us, we're going to do some estimating, figure out how much time, money, parts, all that stuff we'd have into it, and then we're going to get back to him, and he can make his decision on if he's going to buy the car or not. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a ride along and, you know, show you kind of what we do here, our next step. So, well, hello. So, yeah, I will keep you guys updated, see what that, see if we're going to go forward with that project or not. So, thanks for sticking around for another episode.